Are you struggling to take your own product shots? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you my different techniques. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss La and I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I'm also the entrepreneur of 3 different fashion and beauty related brands. Before we jump into the video, I do want to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell for notifications. I do post up new videos each week and you don't want to miss any tips, tricks that I have for beauty, business, and motivation. So I'm shooting videos today and I do want to show you this charm necklace that I'm wearing. It is from Vintage Gardens, which is located in Mount Clemens. So I will leave a link to it. I would encourage you to check them out. They have some reasonable prices and some great items. So if you're like me, you struggled or maybe have struggled with trying to take product shots, and if you have a business and you're trying to build a business, you have to do things on a budget. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use one of my light boxes. I use 2 different sizes, but in this video, we're just going to focus on one. So when I take my product photography using a light box, I either will shoot on a Nikon D5200 or I will take a picture with my cell phone, and in conjunction with the light box, it allows me to have a really good clear picture, and that's pretty much what you're going for. And then if you watch different YouTube videos just like I did, you learn how to play around with your photography. So right now I'm playing around with putting texture into the photography, but what you really want is just one really good shot on a white background. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I use my larger light box. Like I said, I use 2 separate ones. I use a smaller one. I got them both on eBay fairly relatively cheap. The smaller one was less than $20. The larger one was less than $70. So right now we're going to take a look at exactly how I do product photography. So this is the Palouse photo light box, and I got this on eBay, and I think it was like about $70–80, something like that. It was fairly cheap. It was under $100. So it comes with this piece, and then it also has the double pieces here that connect into the light box, and then also the cord that attaches into a regular outlet. So when you open up the light box, it will flip out, and then when it flips out, you'll have the top piece here, and then you'll have the 2 connectors here, and then these connectors are on this piece, so they would connect right into there, and that's like the light source. So how this works is just like opens up, and then when you open it up, you have the different colors here. So you have a green, a red, blue, black, then like a tan color, and then there's also a white. And these 3, the green, red, and blue, are cloth or fabric, and then these are more like, not really cardboard, but these are just harder pieces, the black, tan, and the white. Then at the top you have the reflective, which is good to bounce off light. So that's like at the top. And then what this does is like this pulls off, and then you can just shoot straight through with your light bouncing off. So when you set this up, it's kind of tricky. Like this has to fold out, and then you would connect the 4 sides. So I'm gonna start first with assembling the white piece into the light box, and I'm gonna shoot a little bit of photography with this as a backdrop. So it took me a minute to kind of get the hang of how this like goes. So what you would do is this pulls up, and then the sides pull out. And then when you pull the sides out, there's like Velcro all around. And then you would just attach the Velcro. And then what you can do is just push. I like to push. And then what you can do is like push in, and you can like make it where it's a little bit where the light doesn't show coming through. Like I said, they're Velcro, so you can just push those in. And then after this part is assembled, then you just flip this up like so, and then it attaches and you have the full light box assembled. Now before I start to shoot pictures, I have to put in the colored background that I'm going to use. So I have chosen to use white, and like I said, this is Velcro, so you can just pull them and then just put them closer so you don't have any light coming through, and just press on the outside. And on the inside here, the actual lights are on this side, and then there's this which acts almost like, I guess you would say like a filter almost, so it makes the light really soft, and this does pull off as well. And then here is the side, or I'm sorry, not the side, but the front part that has the light on it, and there are two LED lights, as you can see right there. There's one on both sides, and I think it says like 20 or maybe it's 40 on each, but and then there's the like filter in the middle. So this is the white, oops, stuck. There's Velcro on here too, like on each of the ends, and these just wipe clean. So what you would do is just take this, put it right in here, and there's Velcro at the bottom on the two sides, and then Velcro here at the top, and you would just snap. And then there is your light box, and then you have the two sides. There is the sheeting there that's reflective, and it will bounce light. And then when you flip it here, then you have the other sheeting at the top, and then you would just snap right onto here. And then you can just press the sides to keep light from coming in. And then, like I said, this on the top just pulls right off. And then you can shoot with your camera straight into it. So this part is the front of the actual light box. And you can once again shoot right through with your DSLR camera. So if you shoot from the top, there is a reflective piece here, so it will bounce light, and you can shoot from the top. And then if you want to shoot more forward, then you would just pull this off, and then you can shoot or aim your camera straight in. And when you aim your camera straight in, the filter or the piece of cloth that's there to have like a soft light, that would just pull off. because there's Velcro on the side, and then you can just shoot right through with your DSLR. So how this connects, like I said, there is a piece here that plugs just into a regular outlet, and then there is the two connectors here that go right in here in the front. So you would just connect those to turn the actual light on. So those are the two connector pieces, and then you would take this piece and just plug it right into a regular outlet. So this also has a dimmer switch, and it's also the power control. So this is already plugged up, so I'll go ahead and turn it on. So when you turn it on, as you can see, there it is. So that's it turning on. And like I said, there are two LED light strips on the side that is illuminating that. So now if you move the piece, you can shoot straight through, and you have your light reflecting off because there are reflective pieces in, and you can get a perfect shot with your camera. So this is a little bit closer look. I took my phone off the tripod so you can kind of see. So this is the front. This is with all the lights on, that's the opening where you can shoot through with your camera. And then this is still on the inside of the light box. And then you have your reflective, well, this is the actual piece that goes in the front, but there is the reflective pieces that bounces off the light. So this is a live shot of how it looks set up with a actual product. So I actually have my makeup line in the inside of the box, and this is how it looks set up. So as you can see, it's a perfect shot. Alright, so that was it for the video. I hope you got some use out of it. If you have any photography tips or you found this video useful, please be sure to leave a comment in the description box. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell for notifications. I do post up new videos each week, and you don't want to miss any tips, tricks that I have for beauty, business, and motivation. Have a great day, guys. Bye.